Hey guys! This is a new game I got called Battle of Warships. So this is what this video is going to be about. A new game called Battle of Warships. It's very good. It's called, well, it's not called Battle of Warships, it's called Battle of Warships Naval Blitz. It's very, very, very good. Yeah, so it's basically, you get like different ships. Some ships, you upgrade new weapons for them. Well, this ship doesn't have any other weapons, but other ships do, like this one. Right, no, this one isn't. I'm find a better one, like this one. Yeah, so you collect different weapons. Not collect, like you buy different weapons to, like each weapon is better and better, and like the highest one is the best, and you upgrade them so they can do more damage and stuff. So there's a main battery. So you know what's silly me? You know what I always do whenever I unlock a new ship? I don't upgrade any of the weapons. I just buy them to their fullest. Like, see, these ones are locked. Like, you automatically get the first one, but these ones are locked because I just skipped it and just went to the last one. But for this ship, I accidentally, for this first one, I accidentally upgraded it 2 times because I didn't see there were others. So yeah, I just got this one. But it didn't waste that much money. And then you can upgrade the ship's health, the ship's speed, and the ship's turning rate. So these 2 weapons are anti-air. The number you see, like times 9, times 4, that's how many weapons on there, like on the ship. Main batteries is the weapons that you can control, and the other ones are just automatic weapons that fire. So anti-aircraft, they shoot aircraft. That aircraft drop torpedoes and bombs, and torpedoes are like, you know what torpedoes are? Those are underground exploding things. Okay, let's upgrade speed. And then there's AP shells and HE shells. AP shells, they pierce the armor. It's good for battleships. And HE shells, they deal less damage, but they have a chance of making a fire. They're good against smaller ships. What the thing is, like, you should use HE shells to start a fire, and then use AP shells to like deal more damage. Because fires, torpedoes usually cause floods. Aircraft carriers don't have any weapons except for secondaries, and secondaries are like ships that fire, that weapons that fire in a range, get in that range. So yeah. And then there's tasks and different ships you can unlock, and there's patterns you can put on them. So yeah, and there's different types. There's a cruiser. There's a battleship. Battleships are basically like a high health, high attack ships, but very slow, lack agility and stuff. Aircraft carriers, very slow, very low turn rate, but they can do lots of damage with their aircraft. So they're very bad in close range combats. So you should always like divert them to the side. Not USS. Destroyers are very low health, but very fast, but very low attack. But they have torpedoes. And then that's it. And then cruisers are basically, they're basically, how do I say this? They're basically medium, like they're basically average. They're like a mix of everything. They have medium attack, medium speed, medium everything. This is one of the worst cruisers, so yeah. And sometimes some of them have interceptors. So I'm gonna use Z-20 Carl Blaster. Every different ship is from a different country. My name is Winterboom90. It's from my Google Play name. Okay. Oh my! We're gonna lose this. It's 5v7. Oh, there's 7v7. Come on. What is taking so long? It's already 7v7. Change to normal. Yeah. Oh, I hate this. Oh, there, good. Okay, so this is the speed. You could have 3 speeds and 1 backward, and then you can turn left and right, and then there's a chat. But remember, don't say anything like valuable for your team, because that chat also can chat the enemy. So yeah. I wish there was a way of chatting only your team, like team chat and game chat. Team chat can be only in your team, and game chat can be everybody. I don't have that much ammo because I use this ship a lot, and like I use a lot of ammo. And to get more ammo, like every time you switch, you have to reload, and you can upgrade your weapons to get lower reload times and higher attack. And you can buy ammo, armor piercing and high explosive. Every ship has its own ammo, so you have to buy it for each. Doesn't matter. I won't crash because this is a very fast turning. Oh, I crashed. Mark. I don't know what that means in the chat. But the destroyers are usually agile and fast. They can turn pretty fast. Okay, now there's a zoom in function. And for torpedoes, you can have it wide or you can have it narrow. Narrow's better for like if they're pretty close to you, and you can hit all. Wide is if there's a bunch of ships and you want to hit all of them for damage. Wide is also pretty good if you want to damage an aircraft carrier from like. Actually, I'm not really sure. You can also use narrow for an aircraft carrier. Dunkirk. I don't see them. Okay, it's the main. If you don't stay together, you're dead. Cause like staying together is the main thing in this game. Okay, I'm gonna pause a bit until we're in a big fight. Okay, so I think I paused before I could finish that sentence. I said in a big fight. So what? I'm already this low from the one torpedoes. Wait a minute. You can only launch torpedoes from your side. And I'm dead. He will kill me before the torpedoes kill me. See? He killed me before the torpedoes killed me. Oh, my torpedoes killed him! Wow, that is so cool. My torpedoes killed him even though I died. It wasn't my torpedoes, it was Rosa's gray torpedoes. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna leave. Okay, so pretty good. And pause until I'm in a match. Okay, so I'm in a match, but we're probably gonna lose because look at the board. 6v7. That means we have 6 and they have 7, and they're gonna lose. Probably because like the more ships you have, the better, like much better it would be. Like you have a very high chance of winning. Yeah, and then there's power up. So there's repair. See, I have 0. So what repair does? It repairs 15% of your ship over time, and it fixes any floods. That second one, that fan with the plus sign, it increases your speed for like I think a minute or 2 by 15%. Like not speed, it increases the max speed by 15%. And that last one is it's a fire extinguisher. So if you're on a fire, it just extinguishes the fire. And you can get more power-ups by buying them from the shop or getting them from like boxes and containers. You gotta stay together, Green Reaper. He is a Brooklyn, okay? Thank you. Oh no. And it's also a run button. Get out of the way, please. Okay, good. Oh, let's go for that guy. Like, the main thing, like, it's good to do, like, shoot and then do a horn like that, so we can go for him. Like, that's what, if you don't want to use the chat. If you don't want to use the chat. Because like then the enemies. Oh my torpedoes! Then the enemies won't know. Come on! Don't hit the ship, please. He's very good. Run out of there, ship. No! 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 We got. And there's more torpedoes. At least it will hit me. Let's go for this guy. Rodney, why aren't you shooting? Oh, he's concentrated on that guy. He's not concentrated on me. Okay, that's good. That's very good. No, guys, do not stop hitting me. Yes, stay like that. Stay there. Yes, he doesn't know I'm here. This is going so good. And then I'll just spam torpedoes. Right. This is gonna be easy. Oh my, he's shooting me. Oh, that's his secondary weapon. Oh, he's on fire. This is gonna be easy. Yes. Torpedo, torpedo. This is gonna be easy. Come on, come on. All torpedoes hit. Oh, am I gonna miss? Am I gonna miss this? Yes, I flooded him. Only 2 torpedoes missed. Stop shooting me, secondary weapons. Yes, this is going good. I can destroy him. I can destroy him. I can destroy him. Let me destroy him. Yes! Got him. Good stuff. And I'll just let my torpedo reload. Okay, this is going pretty good. 3 versus 5. I knew I was going to lose this. Come on, hit him. And I missed. Okay, I'm gonna go for this guy. Leningrad, let's go. Leningrad's on really back there. Hello, Leningrad. I gotta use my explosive shells. Because he's a destroyer. Come on, I'll do that. I'll show you. You can't reach me. And I don't reach you. I don't know that. Leningrad, please. You're not gonna hit me. Oh, I'm low on health. Hello, Leningrad. Leningrad, you're not gonna hit me. Just please. Not infantry. Oh my, I'm just getting shot from some of the people. Come on, you get this. Come on, torpedoes, are you charged up? Yes, you're charged up. Come on, I can't die before my torpedo. Come on, get ready for my torpedoes. Yes, he's not turning to the side. So that means no torpedoes. Oh no, he's turning to the side. He's gonna do his torpedoes. He's gonna do his torpedoes. Oh, he also did his torpedoes. Dodge them. And I died. At least I did pretty good in there. So yeah, there's a workshop you can upgrade. So for this guy, I'm just gonna upgrade. I need to upgrade his. I'll upgrade his HP. And then his defense majestic. I'll upgrade. I'll upgrade this. And for repulse, I will upgrade thus. And for this guy, I'll upgrade thus. For this guy, I'll upgrade thus. Should I buy this new plane? Nah, I'm not gonna buy it. And upgrade that. For this guy's already upgrading. So yeah, so that's gonna be the end of the video. This video, it wasn't really like a gameplay video. It was more like a beginning video. So, make sure to subscribe and bye.